Delta has a lifetime warranty on their product, so I contacted customer service via email, sent them a picture of my faucet, and they sent this repair kit, RP 28603, which includes the seats and the springs. This was shipped to me no charge. I had it within a week, so it cost me nothing other than my time to fix it. So the tools we're going to need on this project today: screwdriver, screw gun, big channel lock, pick. This will be to get the O-rings out of the faucet. They're seated. A light's always handy, paper towels. And before you shut off the water, which is required for this project, you should fill up a bucket of water with some cleaning products so you can clean some of the calcium off the fixture. Step 1, turn off water to the house. Step 2, drain the water from the pipes at a different sink. We're downstairs, my shower's upstairs. After a little research, the Monitor 1700 is the model that controls your hot and temperature, hot and cold here. Next step is to remove this knob. Just comes off, snaps onto these two clips. Then there's a screw in the middle. Unscrew that. Remove the lever and the black piece. After that, you should wiggle the handle off. It's attached right here with these teeth. Pull straight out. I zoom in. You can see the valve says hot side, so that's up. Next we pull this cover. It just covers up all the workings. We'll clean this in a minute. The screws are very long. We can get to the valve through the tile. Next step is to remove this outside ring. Monitor 1700s are quite old. Mine was put in 2002. Big channel like this. Once you get it loose, you can just spin it off. Now we're down to removing the valve. This is where it all happens. The mixing valve. So you have to pull it here and wiggle it out. That's letting what's left of the pressure in the system out. So the cap comes off. When it goes back together, this notch goes in this notch. Pretty simple. We'll clean that a little. Then pull the valve. Top up, hot side up. That's our valve. In this installation, we don't need a new valve. What we need is the seals in the back. That's what they provided. Okay, now we're into the guts of the unit. I put a little light on this. This is where you'll need a pick or a screwdriver, small screwdriver. It's got little screws and pucks. Seals. 1, 2, and then there's one more seal back here. Just pop that out. There it is. You can see on this there is no direction. I mean, it can go in either way. You can see on the old seals, it gets crust on here. That's what starts to leak. So it isn't the valve that needs to be replaced. Generally it's the seals. You can buy a valve and put it in. I bought one at Home Depot. They were like $70, but Delta sent me a free kit. So now we reverse the process. Put this in first. A little light. Like that. It can be a little tricky to get in. Like I said, start them little end in to the cup. And this pushes on the back of the valve. As you can see, I got them both in there. I used the pick to kind of line them up. And you can see the new springs are pushing it out more as it should be. Next step, put the valve back in. I clean this up a little bit. You can see on the back, this is hot, cold, and those little pucks sit against there, and that's how it seals. That's it. We put this one back on. Like I said, got a notch that it goes in on this side. We got the hot side up. Next step is the ring goes back on, the brass ring that holds it all in. This is pushing the whole valve back in against those springs. Yep. Next step, you put the chrome trim ring on. Covers the valve. There's a gasket here that seals this to around this. Not under pressure, so it doesn't matter where it sits really. You can roll it forward. Push that in. And the finished plate. I cleaned this up as best I could. Very long screws so you can locate the holes, look behind it and see them. Doesn't have to be that tight. It has a foam seal around the back. Now we have to put on the handle. This kind of slides back on. You can see the teeth here, attached to that. Pushes on pretty easily. And the hot dial. Matches to these teeth here. Teeth here, teeth there. And this goes on, it's got an oblong hole like that. One screw here. It's working on, off, on, off. This is your hot, cold, hot, cold. And this cap, I cleaned it up a little bit. Like I said, it snaps here, here. That's it. Ready for a shower. So it's working, the shower's running. Turn it off. So I got the free kit from Delta. Took me probably half an hour to fix it. A little longer because I was filming, but I wasn't. So you can either contact Delta to get the free part or contact Home Depot like I did, and they said, yeah, we have a kit, and they sold me this one. We'll have all the parts you need to fix it, including the valve. But in most cases, you don't need the valve. Valve doesn't go bad, the seals do, kind of like a car or any other plumbing projects. Thanks for watching.